prepare to embark on an awe-inspiring journey through the mystical world of sacred geometry, where ancient mysteries await rediscovery. In this captivating video, we delve into the esoteric realm of geometric patterns that have enthralled civilizations for millennia. Brace yourself for an exploration of 20 intriguing facts that reveal the hidden power and significance of sacred geometry in the ancient world. As we unravel the enigmatic secrets encoded within these sacred symbols, we will marvel at the profound influence they held over architecture, art, religion, and philosophy. Join us as we traverse the ages to understand the sacred wisdom that has shaped the course of human history and offers timeless insights into the fabric of our universe. Fact 1. The flower of life, a universal blueprint. At the heart of sacred geometry lies the flower of life, an intricate pattern of overlapping circles symbolizing the interconnectedness of all life. This ancient symbol is found in various cultures and is believed to hold the blueprint of creation, resonating with the divine structure of the universe. Fact 2. The golden ratio, nature's divine proportion. The golden ratio, also known as phi-p, is a mathematical ratio found in nature, art, and architecture. This aesthetically pleasing ratio is believed to evoke a sense of harmony and beauty, reflecting the inherent order within the cosmos. Fact 3. The Vesica Piscis, portal of divine creation. The Vesica Piscis is formed by the overlapping of two circles representing the union of opposites and divine creation. This symbol is associated with spiritual significance and is believed to be a gateway to higher consciousness. Fact 4. The Metatron's cube, gateway to higher dimensions. Metatron's cube, composed of 13 circles, is believed to hold the keys to understanding the mysteries of the universe. This sacred symbol is said to represent the building blocks of reality and the interconnection of all life. Fact 5. The Sri Yantra, Vedic symbol of cosmic energy. The Sri Yantra is a complex geometric pattern revered in Vedic traditions for its spiritual and metaphysical significance. This sacred symbol is believed to represent the union of the divine masculine and feminine energies and serves as a powerful tool for meditation and manifestation. Fact 6. The Platonic Solids, elements of creation. The 5 Platonic solids as tetrahedron, cube, octahedron, dodecahedron, and icosahedron are perfect geometric forms found in nature. These shapes are believed to be the building blocks of the physical world and hold symbolic meanings associated with the elements. Fact 7. The Fibonacci sequence, nature's spiraling code. The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. This mathematical sequence is found in natural phenomena like flower petals, nautilus shells, and even galaxies, reflecting the inherent harmony in the universe. Fact 8. The Torus, the cosmic donut. The torus is a sacred shape resembling a donut with a central hole, representing the flow of energy. This fundamental geometric form is believed to underpin the structure of galaxies and serve as a blueprint for energy dynamics in all living beings. Fact 9. The phi spirals, nature's growth pattern. Phi spirals, also known as logarithmic spirals, are found in seashells, galaxies, and plant formations. These spirals reflect the principle of growth and expansion in nature, epitomizing the universal pattern of life. Fact 10. The seed of life, genesis of creation. The seed of life is a sacred geometric pattern formed by 7 circles overlapping to create a hexagonal structure. This ancient symbol is believed to represent the genesis of creation, the 7 days of creation, and the evolution of life. Fact 11. The Sri Chakra, yantra of divine feminine. The Sri Chakra is a complex yantra representing the divine feminine energy in Hinduism. This intricate symbol serves as a portal to connect with the cosmic goddess, Lalita Tripura Sundari, and attain spiritual awakening. Fact 12. The mystic rose, symbol of unity and divinity. The mystic rose is a sacred geometric pattern formed by interlocking circles, representing unity and divinity. This symbol embodies the eternal cycle of life, death, and rebirth, and serves as a reminder of our interconnectedness with all beings. Fact 13. The pentagram, sign of balance and protection. The pentagram, a five-pointed star, is a powerful symbol found in various cultures and traditions. This geometric symbol is believed to represent the balance between the elements and is often used for protection and spiritual empowerment. Fact 14. The triskelion, ancient Celtic symbol of continuity. The triskelion is an ancient Celtic symbol featuring three spirals radiating from a central point. This symbol signifies continuous motion, cycles of life, and the interconnectedness of the past, present, and future. Fact 15. The hexagram, symbol of harmony and balance. The hexagram, also known as the Star of David, is a six-pointed star widely used in different cultures. This geometric symbol represents the integration of the divine masculine and feminine energies and embodies harmony and balance. Fact 16. The Enneagram, symbol of self-discovery. The Enneagram is a complex geometric figure representing 9 personality types and their interrelationship. This ancient symbol serves as a tool for self-awareness, personal growth, and understanding human behavior. Fact 17. The quincunx, sacred geometric pattern in art and architecture. The quincunx, a geometric arrangement of 5 points forming a cross or square, has been prevalent in art and architecture. This pattern reflects the ancient concept of balance and harmony, often found in sacred spaces and temples. Fact 18. The Celtic knot, eternal love and connection. The Celtic knot is an intricate and continuous pattern symbolizing eternal love and interconnectedness. This timeless symbol serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life and the eternal nature of love and friendship. Fact 19. The Tree of Life, sacred symbol of creation. The Tree of Life, found in various cultures and religions, represents the interconnectedness of all living beings. This profound symbol is believed to be the axis mundi, connecting the heavens, earth, and underworld. Fact 20. The hexagonal basalt columns, geological marvels. Hexagonal basalt columns, formed by volcanic activity, display striking geometric patterns in nature. These stunning formations exemplify the integration of sacred geometry in the natural world, reflecting the universal harmony. As we conclude our exploration of sacred geometry's hidden power and the ancient mysteries it unravels, we are left in awe of the profound wisdom encoded within these timeless symbols. From the flower of life to the hexagonal basalt columns, each geometric pattern serves as a gateway to understanding the universal order and interconnectedness of all life. Sacred geometry's enduring legacy continues to influence art, architecture, philosophy, and spirituality. It reminds us that the cosmos itself is a magnificent canvas woven with intricate patterns of harmony and balance. We invite you to embrace the sacred wisdom of these ancient symbols and discover their relevance in our modern lives. Delve deeper into the mysteries of sacred geometry, share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel for more enthralling explorations into the esoteric realm of the past. Unlock the hidden power of sacred geometry and embrace the timeless knowledge that lies at the heart of our universe.